God's love never dies. I remember those early mornings when you woke before the sun, working hard with tired hands, making sure our needs were done. You carried burdens on your shoulders, never asking for reward. Through every storm and every struggle, your strength became my sword. And though the years have come and gone, your lessons still remain. Every word you ever spoke still echoes through my veins.
Dad's love never dies. It lives beyond the skies.
In every step I take, in every dream I chase, when I stumbled, when I failed, you lifted me once more. Hey! You showed me how to stand again and face the world before me. Hey! The sacrifices that you made, hey! I understand today. Hey! The older that I grow, the more your love remains. The road you walk before me
still guides my weary feet,
and every prayer you prayed for me
still gives me strength to believe.
Hey, Dad's love never
dies.
Hey, hey, hey.
It lives beyond the skies.
Oh, in every step I take, in every dream I chase, Dad's love never fades. Oh, through all the passing days, though you're far away from sight, your love remains my life. Some people leave this world,
But never truly go.
their love becomes a river,
Forever deep and flowing.
your voice still speaks within me,
Your wisdom lights my way.
and every time I look above, I know you're not far away. Hey,
Dad's love never dies.
it shines across the skies,
Through every joy and pain,
your spirit still remains. Hey,
Dad's love never fades.
no matter where I stray,
Your love lives in my heart.
and there it will always stay. Hey,
Dad's love never dies.
Papa, must you stop long one him hap now? He's surveying in you all get a day. All talk belong you,
All passing belong you.
all stop yet in sight.
Long bell belong me.
Me walk about long all mark you been hurrying.
Me kiss him strong.
Long passing belong you.
Now me sabe.
Papa, like belong you by.
He know he not die.
Hey, hey. And by stop all time. Inside long bell belong me bella. Yeah.